Welcome to our comparison of SalesLoft and Outreach, two leading sales engagement platforms. Let's start with features. SalesLoft offers a comprehensive suite of tools such as email tracking, dialer, and social media integration. Its standout feature is the Cadence tool, which enables automated yet personalized follow-ups. On the other hand, Outreach excels with its advanced analytics and AI-driven insights. It also offers a dialer, but with more robust features like local presence and voicemail drop, making Outreach's feature set slightly more advanced. Now, let's talk about pricing. SalesLoft's pricing is transparent, with plans starting at $75 per user per month, making it a cost-effective option for smaller businesses. Outreach, however, doesn't publicly disclose its pricing, which can be a drawback for some. However, it's known to be more expensive, yet also more flexible, offering custom pricing based on specific business needs. So, if budget is your primary concern, SalesLoft might be the better choice, but if you need a customized solution, you might find more value in Outreach. In terms of user experience, both platforms offer intuitive, easy to navigate interfaces. SalesLoft's dashboard is clean and straightforward, providing easy access to key features. Outreach, however, shines with its customizable dashboard and unique sequence view, which visualizes the sales process. Users report that Outreach's learning curve is steeper, but once mastered, its advanced capabilities may outweigh the initial complexity. So, if simplicity is your thing, SalesLoft takes the cake, but for customization and advanced features, Outreach wins. Looking at integrations, both platforms integrate with popular CRM software, email clients, and other sales tools. SalesLoft supports major platforms like Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, and G Suite. Outreach goes a step further, offering more integrations, including LinkedIn Sales Navigator and Marketo. This wider range of integrations can provide a more seamless workflow, making Outreach the winner in this category. When it comes to performance, both platforms are highly reliable. SalesLoft has a reputation for fast, efficient software with minimal bugs. Outreach also performs well, with users reporting high-speed response times even with large data sets. However, some users have reported occasional glitches with Outreach's advanced features. Therefore, if reliability is a priority, SalesLoft might be the safer bet. Security is crucial in any sales engagement platform. Both SalesLoft and Outreach take security seriously with robust measures in place to protect data. SalesLoft is SOC 2 Type 2 certified and Outreach is ISO 27001 certified. While both certifications are highly respected, ISO 27001 is more comprehensive, making Outreach slightly more secure. In terms of support, both platforms offer extensive resources. SalesLoft provides 24/7 support, training, and a dedicated success manager for each account. Outreach offers similar support, along with an online knowledge base, but its support isn't around the clock. While both have excellent support, SalesLoft's 24/7 availability gives it a slight edge. Scalability is another important factor. SalesLoft is a great choice for small to mid-sized businesses with flexible plans that can grow with your company. Outreach, however, is designed for enterprise-level sales teams with its extensive features and custom pricing. Therefore, Outreach is the winner when it comes to scalability. The winner of our comparison is Outreach, while SalesLoft is a strong contender with its user-friendly interface and affordable pricing. Outreach edges it out with its advanced features, extensive integrations, superior security, and scalability. It's important to note that the best choice depends on your specific business needs and budget. Thank you for watching our comparison of SalesLoft and Outreach. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this one. Your support helps us continue to provide high quality content. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.